Hello, welcome to Furniture Flipping Sisters. My name is Christy, and today is going to be so fun. This piece is what I like to call Job of the Hutch. I'm happy to report it netted me $300 on my very first try at selling online, and now I want to show you how I did it. I sort of fell into this side gig career when I couldn't stop flipping furniture. I've been refinishing furniture all my life, and I love doing it. I saw this hutch for the bargain price of $100, and I could see its potential. It was calling out to me to give it a new life. I already have a hutch I flipped, and I didn't need another. So when I found myself buying this hutch, I knew from the beginning it was going to be one I would sell on Facebook Marketplace. I have to start off by saying selling things was not even on my radar as an additional income until this hutch turned such an awesome profit. Now I'm hooked. First, I scrubbed the hutch down with Dawn dish soap and some water. Next, I knew I wanted all the doors to be functional, so I went shopping for some hardware. I bought some hinges and new drawer pulls that I thought would dress it up and make it more modern. The third door was just for looks on this hutch until I got a hold of it. I removed the false doors, added hinges and a closure clasp, and then reattached the center doors on top and bottom. Now all of the doors can open and close. As my hutch buyers know, I love being able to access every square inch of the hutch. Why china cabinets were ever made with the middle section sealed off is a mystery to me, but it's much easier to access the center section now. To add the hinges and latch clasp, I removed the doors that were nailed shut with a pry bar. Next, I measured and marked where the new hinges would need to go. I measured from the existing doors where the hinges, how far down the hinges needed to go, and marked the doors without hinges exactly where they needed to go. Then I drilled a small pilot hole into the door, and then the new hinges were easily attached. I did figure out that if I'm going to create tutorials, I will need much more than just one accidental snapshot during the process of flipping furniture. This happens to be the only photo I have of my process of Job of the Hutch.
Kip hasn't done flipping anything today.
My sisters say if I don't document my work, it's the same as not doing anything. Of course, we're just having fun with each other, but I promise from now on, I will document every step of the way during my tutorials. In my defense, this was my first attempt, and I didn't know if I would actually make any money. I had to make sure it would actually work before I could even think about doing a how-to video. I never guessed I would hit pay dirt on my very first attempt. I called my sisters and told them to start selling their furniture flips for cash. We were amazed when we all started making money immediately. That is when we decided to tell everyone we could about this easy side gig of bringing in the bacon. We are all spreading the word so that others can make money too. From now on, I will document every step of the way, but knowing how to market the piece is a big part of being successful at making money, so that will be what I focus on today. Whenever you are selling online, remember to take pictures of everything inside and out. If you know the brand, mention that on your post as well. Finally, when your piece is complete, take the time to stage it. Find similar items on your favorite furniture website for staging ideas. When taking pictures, turn every light you possibly can on. When posing the piece, be sure it is in full light. A great way to know if there is enough light in the room is to check the photo for shadows. If you see shadows, add additional light. The next thing is to make sure you know your market. The correct price is very important. Finally, be patient. The perfect buyer might not see the piece the same day you post it. If you know you priced it right, give yourself 2 weeks on the market before considering dropping the price. It takes patience. but don't sell yourself short. If it doesn't sell in 2 weeks, change something, possibly restage, then list again. Job at the Hutch was online for almost 3 weeks before the perfect buyer came along. When my buyer first saw the Hutch in person, she was in shock. She said it looked better in person than the pictures even showed. That brings up my last tip. Don't Photoshop the picture to look better than it really is, because that will come back to bite you in the end. This buyer was so happy she even sent me a picture of it staged in her home. When a buyer loves your piece so much, it is like getting paid twice. No wonder I'm so addicted to flipping furniture. I've done a lot of different pieces over the years, so this was a perfect technique for my Hutch. The best part is, each one of my sisters are having success flipping too. That is why we are the Furniture Flipping Sisters. Please subscribe to our channel and share it out where you can. We will be doing regular posts. We have so much where this came from. And remember, when you're flipping furniture, it doesn't have to be perfect to be awesome. See you again soon.